Scorpio, Vamogila Gila. Good day, bonjour. Tell me how you're doing. You're welcome in the space with me. I thank you very much for joining me. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm Lord Dandy, and this is your Lionese Tarotrax Pull for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, or Rising. I am already burning peace. Remember, this is an adult's entertainment show, so you need to use your adult discernment. Not everything will be here for you, and that's okay. It's a general collective pull for the collective. But there will be definitely something here for you that works for your situation. If it doesn't work for your situation, that's okay. If it resonates with you, I'm also glad too. All aboard. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, or Rising, or cross watchers too. Remember to go and check out your Sun and your Moon and Rising signs. Let's get a wild card. We'll keep it secret until the end. One card there. Simba will keep it safe for us. And 3 Lionese Tarotrax cards. Remember to take a look in the bottom, in the description below, for your angel number taken from the timestamp of the video for clarification. And a prayer, an angel message for you that inspires you through the numerology. Everything has meaning. Tree. Let's see what's on the back here. Oh, this is important for relationships. 4 of diamonds. Are you having problems? Have you been searching? Well, this is important for relationships, and the map of hidden treasures just may be, you may find it, and you may have been digging and failed year after year in one spot, but maybe if you go a little bit more precise, dig a little bit deeper in one precise spot, you will get that chest of gold, or you might find a hint or a key. Okay, it's becoming more clearly to me. Okay. Wow, another ace, a message. A message from someone, an email, gain insight into the problems in life. This is good advice from a friend, maybe, or even someone that you don't even know. From a book that you read, a vivid dream at night, to give you a very good, positive perspective going forward. Beautiful. And we have a king and a queen, and they're matched. Wow. Both of pentacles, clubs. The queen of clubs, she's a very well-behaved brunette woman. Oh man, in spirituality, a lover to be of service. A warm and sympathetic nature. Most want to marry this person. Most are very jealous and seen as a dangerous rival. And the king of clubs, a dark man, loyal and kind, great and shrewd. In business, money matters, and investments. Unselfish, a very devoted father, husband, and citizen. The best qualities you can find in a fatherly figure. A very good luck card. That's amazing that it came out now, because I just pulled the daily pull, and so he was there too. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Confirmation, eh? Okay, let's see what the tarot can add to that. It's a heavy load you're carrying there, weighed down by the work. Very heavy load, but you've basically gotten to the top of the hill. Some people just drop that load and they walk back down, but basically you've gotten to the end. You're almost there. Carry on, push through it. Can you push through it? Yes, of course you can. You're the magician. You can, like a magician can. You are the creator of these relationships that you need to finish those 10 of wands up on the hill. Cha-cha-cha. Next stop, please. Ta-ta-ta-ta. The king has died. Oh no, long live the king. Okay. The King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces or Scorpio, this is you. King or Queen, my friend, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Scorpio, Sun, Moon or Rising, this is you. Know that you are gentle and shy, and you have the strength, and you are in command of everything. You can calm those emotions, those stormy seas in your mind. You can calm them. Don't worry, you are the best type of fatherly figure that a man can get, or a woman can get too. But there's a death, there's an end of a situation, the end of a relationship, and there in the card you can see the king has been trodden on by the death's horse come in, and there's the Pope and the kids. This is a wake, this is a funeral. But after that there is happiness, maybe an income, or maybe it's not a funeral, it's just a death, a physical death, but not a physical death, a spiritual death of something in your life. And so when one door closes, another door opens. Indeed. Next up for Scorpio, Sun, Moon or Rising, please. Sorry. Thank you for all your likes and your shares and subscribes. It really helps the channel to grow. So you can do that right now. It's for free. Why? Shuffle these cards. They don't want to come out. Scorpio, Sun, Moon or Rising. Next up, please. Let's see what they are. No, don't want that either. Only if it's face up, then I'm going to have to read it. Then I can't choose it. If it's face down, I can choose it. New rules. Face up. Now it's time to rest and reconsider. If you don't rest, you could actually get sick. You see that knight there, he's actually dead already. He knows he's going to die tomorrow morning. He's going out to battle. And so he's laid his sword down, and what's most important is the body. Stop with the words, stop with the fighting, stop with the accusations, stop with the overthinking everything. Just rest and enjoy and be you. And relax. Chill, dude. There's a lot of death. Whoa. But this is the biggest scorpionic card that you can have. It's about transformation. It's about changing yourself into a brand new you. That's what Scorpios are good at. A real Scorpion has to shed its skin. It's very painful. It's not nice, but that's how it grows. Otherwise, it doesn't grow. So you tied your hands up, you tied your feet up, you tied yourself up, upside down, on the crucifix. A lot of death. I'm sorry, Scorpio. This is a transformative pull. You see, you're not dead. You didn't die. You didn't hang yourself from the neck. You hung yourself from the feet. So your hands are tied, your feet are tied, but your brain is illuminated there. You have illumination. You have a halo. Halo. And you are stronger now. You are stronger inside. All this hanging around has made you wiser. But there is this news coming in. The Page of Cups, maybe from somebody younger, a real person. It's also water energy, so Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Sun, Moon or Rising. Maybe this proposal is going to come to you. She's got she's got a fish in the cup. The fish is something imaginary. It's an idea. It's food. It's abundance. It's a dream, and it makes you happy. That's why this is good news. And then, with more cups, lots of water energy, the 7 of Cups. Ooh, beware, beware. Not everything that shines and glitters is golden. You have to look past the temptations and any basic grifting. Watch out. You don't have to give out. You don't have to fulfill. You don't have to fulfill these desires to make everyone happy. Or you got to make yourself happy. So choose. You're dreaming. There's all these temptations. It's very cloudy. Look past the clouds and look to the real thing that is what you require and need, not always what you desire. But there is this dream, and your desires are big, and you are in the mode of building castles in your mind, and you're dreaming big, and this is about manifestation. It's a page, it's a princess, so she's not the king yet, but she wants to be the king, or he wants to, or queen, and good with money and budgeting and e-commerce and commerce, but it takes more practice, not just the dreaming. Yes, it's up there. It's still up in the air. Pisces, Sun, Moon, and Rising. And you are going to get it with this teamwork of help, maybe from the King of Pentacles. Maybe you're dreaming of that pentacle, and here this King of Pentacles is coming to give you what you need. It's very businesslike, very domineering, very powerful, very arrogant, and that's how you get what you want. This is a Virgo. This is Earth signs, Virgo, Capricorn, or Taurus. But very, very good with business and experienced, knows what he's doing. And there's the 3 of Pentacles. These definitely are improvements with the 7 of Cups and, of course, with the 3 of Pentacles. This is teamwork in a place that you love, maybe. And there will be improvements with money too, you see. And then 3 more cards for the next stop. 4, Cancer. Why do I keep on doing that? Scorpio, Sun, Moon, or Rising. Cha-cha-cha. That's what we got yesterday. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. So, we got nearly all the pages out today. They're coming out, all these young people, big dick energy too, wanting to explore, Dora the Explorer, needing education. You need to learn what you need to learn, and that's how this is very inspirational while you go and find out what you need to do to go and start this journey of life that you want to go on. And then the 9. This is a bit of a depressing card. It's the only depressing card there is really here. A 9 of Wands. You can't see the forest for the trees somehow. You're wounded from all the hard work you've done. And so the only way you can actually see it is like stepping out of your situation and going to places where you want to see what you want. Wherever you are, get out of the shit hole that you're in. And then that will change everything. The wheel of fortune is turning. And eventually, it turns into your favor. Eventually. And the karma leaves, and everything fits in place. All the 4 corners of the earth, all the angels, and even the demons, they all agree this is how it goes forward. Abundance, a change, an overseas trip for somebody, a completion of a phase, elevation of money, honey, my dear. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, or Rising. Now we have these 2 bonus cards. The Hermit card and the Queen. The Hermit card is ruled by Virgo, and we just had the full moon in Virgo. It seems like a dark card, but it's not really, because you've got all the answers inside of you. And you do have the illumination. You have it in the lantern there, and you shine it over all the nation. Everybody can see that, but you're on your own. You do have your wand there. Yes, your magic wand. And so before you do the outer work, you have to do your inner work, your inner soul searching, understanding yourself inside. That's how you will then be able to go forward and be the queen of words and communication and contracts. See, she's got the city there behind her, and she is expanding, looking to the future. A big sword, and what is the sword? The sword is the tongue, the word. These are the words of creation or destruction. Setting boundaries and making the laws, making it happen. This is speech is on your side, baby. Okay, let's see what the... Wow, crazy. Victory is on your side. Don't dare stop now. The drum beats and the whistles are blowing. I'll get a confirmation on that. But it's definitely all systems go. Go, baby, go. All systems go. 10 of clubs. This is the luckiest card in the deck for most. Okay, the ace of clubs. Maybe that's what we got in the... But the 10 of clubs... you could also be traveling. It's definite confirmation on traveling. Let's see the confirmation. Card of 5 and 10 of clubs. Must be at the back. No, it's not. 5 and the 10. Victory is near. Drum beats and trumpets are sounding. Don't dare stop now. Victory is in sight. Business will prosper. You'll be profoundly loved, and your relationships and marriage will be successful. A major life victory for you, indeed. And the card of good fortune, the 10 of clubs, material success, material abundance, lucky in investments, a windfall maybe an inheritance. Yes, maybe you find a wallet in the street, or any unexpected financial gains. And if anybody dies, my condolences. I'm very sorry to hear that. Let's see what's on the back of the tarot. Oh, money, honey, the moon. It does rule deception and lies and what things that happen at night. The moon does shine. And it can make emotions up and down. But it is also about deception, thievery, the dark, the people that are in gangsterism, whatever, Lionel. The moon rules Monday, like today is Monday, the month, and money. It's very golden, this moon, for me. But we just did have full moon and an eclipse. What did you end in your life? I wonder. Okay. Let's see what the angels have in store for you and me. Drawing virtues, virtual angel cards, what your angels would like you to know about Drawing Virtue. I thank you for joining me and being my subscriber. You're very loyal indeed. Make sure that it is subscribed and you got the bell on. That makes you the light at the end of my tunnel, please. And if you like the way I pull, give me a thumbs up. It's free for you. And if you feel like caring, you can go on and share the video with your friends on the socials. You can always comment as you see fit down below, and I will respond. I thank you. One card, please. No, not that card. This card, Azure. Azure says your desired outcome will occur in the very near future. Have patience and faith, and don't try to force anything to happen. Okay, Pisces, Sun, moon, and rising. At the back, look at that. More victory. Omega, a beautiful, wonderful. Unicorn says, your desire is coming to fruition. Keep up the good work. Well done. Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio, thank you very much for joining me. I hope that helps you. I hope you like the way I pull. I changed it up a little bit. I've turned the camera around to the front so I can actually see and enjoy. I'm not just speaking into the space here. I know what you're looking at. Ha ha. And if there's any interruptions. Pisces, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Life does get tougher, but we get smarter together. And if we try a little bit harder, it does get better indeed. Please, let's have peace. Shalom. Salam alaikum, ek is lief vir jou. Ik liebe dich. Siabonga, reala bonga, bonga, hambagachle, salagachle, tjus, sayonara, au revoir. Tot ziens. Mwah, mwah.